Hi there, this is Jenny Walker from DigiGoods and Printables ELA. Welcome to Argumentative Essay Writing, Segment 12, Body Paragraphs. If you found this video from YouTube, you can find a link to the workshop in the description. Okay, you are going to be so happy. This part's going to be a breeze because you've already done all of the work to build the elements of your paragraph. Now all you have to do is put them in place. You're going to put your topic sentences, evidence, elaboration, and your transitions all together to form a fantastic paragraph. I have included some support slides that will allow you to separate the pieces of your body paragraphs to put them together. But with the permission of your teacher, you may skip these slides if you don't need them. You may not even see them if your teacher has deleted them from your slide deck. But if you choose to use the support slides, you can click into each of the boxes to add your topic sentences or topic sentence. This would be for paragraph 1, body paragraph 1. So you could add your topic sentence, discussion, your transition, and your evidence, and more elaboration. And just below this slide is a slide for you to put your paragraph in paragraph form on this notebook. On this slide, you would build your first body paragraph. Notice along the side is a guide to help you remember the elements that belong in this paragraph. And the gold stars indicate that this is work you've already completed, and you can scroll back up to collect it. Work your way through all of these slides. And repeat for body paragraph 2. And if you're required to do a third body paragraph 3. If you're only required to do 2 body paragraphs, you may or may not see this in your workshop. After you have built your body paragraphs, and this is the most important part, you must go back and read them aloud to make sure that they make sense. You may need to add, or delete words or sentences, or rearrange part of your text. This is the molding process where you shape up your writing into its final form. At this point, with permission from your teacher, you might have a peer review your work using the scoring rubric that's below to give you feedback, and you might review your peer's work as well. And that is it. And this concludes this segment of argumentative essay writing. I'll see you in the next video where we will discuss writing a conclusion paragraph. If you found this video on YouTube, you can find the link to the workshop in the description. And teachers, make sure to join me and other educators on Facebook where we'll discuss grading hacks, tips, and best practices. You can find the link to our group in the description as well. Happy teaching and happy learning.